What's going on, everybody? Larry back to do my daily recap for today, which is Monday, 9/22. It was a crazy day today. One of them days all you got to do is just buy the dip and hold. We pushed pretty much all day. I was even joking with my wife this morning. We was talking about it. I said, it looks like it wants to go for 25,000, but I wasn't expecting it today, but sure enough, we hit it. Let me see where to start today. We might as well just start with the numbers, and then I'll get into the chart, and there's a couple of things we'll talk about. Let me find this picture right here. Okay. Yes, you see that big red number sticking out right there. That makes me sick to my stomach because I take Profit Pro account. I ended up losing it later in the day because I was an idiot. Don't be a Larry. I done stuff that I knew better, but I don't know. I thought I could overcome it, and I just never did. But other than that red account, even with that one down 1,800, I still finished the day green. You might as well say $1,900. I got good profit today. You can see 300, 100, 180, 300, 240, 400, 330, 240, 590. I did pick up a My Funded Futures eval. That's the only eval I have right now. I figured I'd give it a shot. It's been a while since I traded with My Funded Futures. I always liked My Funded Futures, but I just thought I'd give it a whirl. And you can see here I have still the same 10 accounts ready for a payout. I'm just waiting on my days, as long as I don't mess them up. You don't ever know what's going to happen tomorrow. Hopefully nothing bad. We'll get into the chart down here. Like I said a while back, make this as simple as possible. Even though looking at this chart today was nothing but a push day, buy the dip and hold. In the moment, it didn't seem that way because the candles were small. They wasn't really moving big, but again, keep it simple. This area right here, again, is the 15-minute opening range. If you're a new trader struggling, you can't really, find your rhythm, this is a good place to start. The 15-minute opening range. You can see here we broke through it. We pulled back just a little bit. We took off. We pulled right back to it again. Took off. Pulled right back to it. Took off again. And then the other thing is just trend lines. Make it simple. I drew this trend line from 9 o'clock this morning, and you can see I drew it off that, touched it, this one touching, and I just extended it on out. As you can see later in the day, we come down and we barely broke through it, pushed back up to it, never could get back above it. And where we was at all-time highs, I usually do not take a short trade above VWAP. I've got burnt so many times doing that. That's not my style, but today I thought I'm going to give it a shot because I figured we would drop, being at all-time highs. And we did drop, and I caught this trade. It was a good trade. I was tickled to death with it. That was the last trade I took today, and I should have walked away. But that little thing sitting here on my shoulder whispering in my ear, telling me that, hey, we're going to drop today. Well, I stuck around. It just kept pushing. We kept pushing the all-time highs, and up here, right here's what got me, is this consolidation. And again, I was talking to my wife. We got up here, and we was just 4 or 5 points away from hitting 25,000. And I was like, it ain't going to be able to do it. It finally hit it, which I had took a couple of trades right here with that take profit account. And as soon as I thought it was going to break down, I would short it. And of course, it would just shoot right back up, get me out. I probably had 3 losing trades right here in a row. And this last time we punched through, it started tanking. I thought, we're going down. I shorted it again. It just ripped right back up, and that's when I lost the account. I was aggravated. I learned my lesson. I'm going to go back to the way I have always traded, and, lesson learned. I made a video. I think this might have even been Friday. I'm going to play it. It's kind of how I have been trading. Like I said, I will enter a trade, and I have been dragging my stop loss up with me. These still ain't good examples because the market ain't moving, and I'm probably going to get made fun of for this, but I got thick skin. I don't care. If it can help somebody that is new, that's just starting out, I think any winner is better than a loser. It don't matter if you win 20 bucks, it's better than losing 20. So I'll hit play. Again, on this trade, I was thinking if we could push up above this area, that we would push on up. So I was going to enter it to the upside. Well, it shot up. I was messing around. But anyways, I entered the trade. Right here, I pull my stop loss up, and I'm just going to move it as it goes. But I hit the wrong button. So I set it right here. I click it, and I just gradually move it up, and right there it got me out. That don't seem like a lot to some people, but right here you can see That was a $100 trade. I'm happy with $100. I'll take $100 all day long on every account. I don't care. I'm in no hurry. Again, we'll fast forward this. Let me get over here. I re-enter the trade with another account. Before I hit play, I'll tell you why I was thinking it. We had dropped to VWAP, pushed back up, pulled down, and we're pushing again. So I'm thinking if we can clear this area right here, that we will continue up. So that is when I enter the trade, when we break that. Let me hit play again. We break this. I enter the trade. Again, on this one, let me pause this 1 second. On this one, I did pull my take profit down because I was thinking right here was the high. There's always that chance, you get that one candle that surges. And I mean, you're not quick enough to click a button. So I just pulled it down just in case it shot up, it'd get me out. But again, I entered the trade and I just start bringing my stop loss up. As as it starts going, I just wait on it. I pull it up and just start moving it with me. I got it held. I drop it. I move it again. Still going up. I move it again. And it got me out right there. Another $115 on a different account. I am happy with that. I know a lot of people are going to make fun of me. I don't care. Let me close this out. My main reason for doing this channel is to better myself and, help somebody that is just struggling starting out. I mean, to me, dragging that stop loss up might not be the way some people trade. And for me, I'm trying to, refine it, make it just a little better. Some trades might be a $30 trade. Some trades might be $300. It's working for me pretty good so far, but like I said, I'm just going to try to refine it and get better as I go. That's pretty much it for today, and well, hopefully tomorrow will be a little better day. I don't know what in the world's going to come tomorrow, the way it pushed today, so we might have a sale day tomorrow. We'll see. But anyways, hey, thank you all for watching, and catch you on the next one.